I've been blonde my entire life, and although I've had many changes of colour, blonde has been my primary colour. I've always gone back to blonde. Recently, I have tried to go back to my white blonde, which has clearly failed miserably, and my hair is pretty much frazzled. But also, I'm just sick of the length, the colour, everything about it, so it's time for a complete revamp. Wish me luck. I'm very much in my I don't give a f**k era, but at the same time, like, my main concern is the fact that I've never had dark hair. I kind of only dye my hair when I want to change the colour, really. Like, I don't really stick to any sort of, like, I need to dye my hair schedule, you know. But she's not really, very healthy right now. She needs a good chop and a darker colour, at least for, like, the winter period. Oh my god, I'm actually getting scared now. What if it's, like, bad? Because then I'm gonna have to bleach my hair again. I don't care. It's fine. It's fine, it's just hair. I feel like looking back at the past, like, probably like 4 years, in fact, no, it's probably been like 10 years, I literally haven't changed a little bit. Like, I look the exact same every year. And I just want to look back and be like, oh, I look different now. Like, because I've just grown my hair out since I was like in like year 6. In true cheap girl style, I bought the cheapest hair dye I could possibly find. Of course. Look really pop. Also, the mess. Why can I not just dye neatly? She's not giving light brown. Do I care? Not really. Did I expect any less? I would be stupid to think that this would go perfectly, because has that ever? I don't learn, I just keep dyeing and dyeing and dyeing. Low-key kind of love it so far though. It's a whole new vibe.
Banana milkshake bread. How does that sound?
Interesting.
Oh, your hair's dark.
I feel like it's right. No? Day 2 of the hair saga. I am using wallpaper scissors to chop my hair. I actually love the colour though, like I fully love it. Like it's everything I ever dreamed of. No, I actually never thought I would dye my hair brown, ever. Like I thought I'd be blonde for life. In case you ever wondered why people with curly and wavy hair don't brush their hair, this is why. Literally haven't decided what length like I want my hair to be. Like I'm just completely winging it here. Oh my god, there's so much hair. Oh my god. Wait, that's actually making me think twice. Wait, I'm just gonna do it. There's no going back now. That's still pretty long. Oh, I feel like that's shorter than I wanted it. It's fine. It's fine. I'm going that length then. Yeah, I feel like that's the perfect length. Maybe even a bit shorter.